Good afternoon, children. Welcome to our weekly French lesson. A little video for you this week to introduce the vocabulary, but your main task is on the purple mash I've set a to do for you. Really lovely word search for you to do today, but make sure that you learn the words with me first. So we'll need something to write on, something to write with, so that you can copy the words down as we learn them. You have learnt these before, so it should be more of a recapping, but it is difficult to remember new vocabulary in French, so it's really good to refresh it every few weeks, which is what we're doing this afternoon. So we're looking at days of the week in French. Now, hopefully you've remembered some of them, but if you haven't, let's just refresh our memories with lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Hopefully I said all 7. We'll soon see. But let's now have a look at how you spell those words. So I'm just going to switch the camera over, hopefully. There we are. So in French, we have lundi, L-U-N-D-I, and that is Monday. Now, in French, in French and many other languages like Italian and Spanish, they are all named after, well, not all of them, most of them are named after objects in the sky, so either planets or stars in the sky. So Monday actually means moon day, and in French the word for moon is lune, so that's where we get lundi from. Tuesday is mardi, M-A-R-D-I. So make sure you're writing these down with me in French and then in English. Have you noticed something about the French days of the week and the English days of the week? There's some grammar that's different. In French, they don't use a capital letter, but we do. I bet their teachers have less capital letter moaning to do, don't they? How often does your teacher say to you, don't forget your capital letters for proper nouns? Well, French teachers don't have that worry, do they? Anyhow, where are we? Wednesday, mercredi, M-E-R-C-R-E-D-I, and that is Wednesday. Sorry, I realised my hand was covering it a bit there. Oh, back to what they're named after. So lundi is moon day, Monday's moon day. Mardi is named after the planet Mars, so that's why it starts M-A-R. Mercredi, can you guess what planet that's named after? Mercury, yeah. So jeudi, hopefully you can see, J-E-U-D-I, is named after Jupiter, and that is Thursday. Where are we now? Friday, vendredi, V-E-N-D-R-E-D-I, and that is named after the planet Venus. So look, it's starting with the same 3 letters, vendredi. That's Friday. Saturday, samedi. This is not named after an astral body. It's named for the Sabbath day. Samedi means Sabbath day. So traditionally, that's the day of rest. Saturday. And last but not least, we have Sunday, which means, again, this one is named after God. This means the day of the Lord, dimanche. The day of the Lord, dimanche. Sunday. Okay, so let's have a look at them all then, next to each other. Notice we've got capital letters for all the English words because they're proper nouns. French don't have that grammar rule, so they're just lowercase letters. Let's say them. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Let's say them backwards, just because we can. Dimanche, samedi, vendredi, jeudi, mercredi, mardi, lundi. What you could do is, if you want a little bit of a game before you try your word search, you could play hangman with somebody at home. So choose one of the French days of the week, write the dashes, and they have to guess the letters to the day of the week. So for example, I'll just get a bit of, if I put these on, don't say the letters out loud while you do it. Let's choose a different one then. Okay, so there's the spaces. So you take it in turn to guess letters. So if somebody guesses the letter I, good one to start with because they all end in I. Ooh, what should I choose now? D, they all end in D, don't they? And this is where it gets tricky. It's a short one. Let's see if it's M. It's not M. Oh, you can't even see that. Goodness me. Okay, it's not Mardi then, if it doesn't begin with M. Let's try L. Oh, ding. Yeah, it's L. Oh, it's got to be Monday. Lundy. U. I'm sure you've played hangman before with people at home. So have a go at that game with somebody who would like to play it with you. And then have a go at the crossword. And we'll see you next week for another French lesson. I hope you're having a great week. Take care, children. Stay safe.